Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in another video. In today's video we're gonna show how to replace an LCD in an iPhone 6s. So first of all, let's open two screws in the bottom of the phone. By removing them we release the LCD. To remove the LCD you need to use a plastic card or metal. I'm using a metal one, is a thin one, and you just pop it up the screen. Just be careful, don't damage the fingerprint. If you damage more, the LCD is not a problem because it's already broken. Just be careful with the process. This is the way how I open the phones. You can find another methods, but this is the easiest one, I think, for me, in my opinion. Let's remove the battery. The first thing that we have to do after open the phone, any kind of phone, you have to remove the battery for any case. So that's the first thing. Let's remove the LCD, and one screw is missing here, so I hope we'll find another one instead of that. So, and the camera connector is broken. We need to put another one. It's in the process of how to change the LCD, but you can see how you can change the camera too. So the front camera, let's remove the connectors, and after this process, do you guess what we have to do, guys? Yeah, you have to subscribe. Just kidding. You have to subscribe if you want, no problem, but for the process we need to test the LCD first before we install it other parts from old LCD in the newer LCD. You need to test the LCD and see if everything is fine, it's okay. We forgot to put the battery. Let's put the battery. So let's turn it on, and it's on. While this is turning on, let's remove the home button. Let's turn it on. Let's try it if the touch screen is okay, and it looks fine. We don't have the code to open the phone, but we're trying in this way and it looks everything fine. So let's turn this off and turn off the connectors. So we're gonna put the parts from old LCD in a new LCD. So let's start with the process by removing all the screws and as you see in the video, there's another screw in the top of the LCD. Just don't forget it. I already forgot, but anyway. And don't mess it up with the screws. Put them in places, in different places. Organize them. That's the point. Because you have to put them back, and they are not the same. If you don't remember them, just put them in different places. Organize them as you remember. Something sticky, it's here, but we're gonna remove it. And this is a metal. So let's remove the home button. My brother is sleeping over here, so sorry guys for that noise. let's install the home button, and careful, put it in the right way, don't break it. Put the screw. As you see, this installing the new LCD is I'm doing step by step, like to understand everything what is happening, and that's the whole point. Maybe you will see in other videos like they explain how to change, but it's not that easy when you do it for first time. So this is like you're doing for the first time, let's say, and it's all step by step. If you watch it like the video, full video, one by one, let's say minute to minute, it's everything like good and it's okay, in my opinion. If you have something, like guys, to suggest, just suggest, no worries. I've started now to make these kind of videos, so this is something new for me. That's it. I can help you guys, no worries. For any kind of problems with your phones, even unlocking them or whatever you want, I can show you something, I can give you some hints, and I can give you the solution maybe. That's a plastic over there in the speaker, so let's remove it. And let's check the front camera. Let's find another one. We found it, and we're gonna install it in a new phone. Sorry, in a new LCD. Let's remove. You don't need this. Let's take them off. You have to remove the old camera because you need to take some parts from the part holding of the sensor and the part that is holding the camera. So these are two parts you have to get from the old LCD. Be careful with that. I don't know how is yours, but my new LCD is like a little bit cringy, and you have to be careful because you can damage the LCD, the connectors. So let's remove the sensor, the holding sensor, and put it in place. After this process, we're gonna get the new camera and we're gonna place it as you see in the video. Or you can, if your camera is not damaged at all, you can see the example in the old camera how is it installed. So you can install the same, you can do the same thing. So but I'm trying my best, like to give you the best vision of how to put the camera. So this is it, guys. Just be careful, don't damage it, don't press it too much. it has its own place, and let's put the speaker now. It's not that easy if you think, but some guys it shows like it's easy, but it's not that easy if you do it for the first time. It's not my first time, but I don't know what is happened to my fingers in my ability to install it like faster. But anyway, I'm trying my best. I think I know what I have. My right hand is hurting because I'm playing a game, and it's not that okay, but I'm trying my best. I hope you understand me, guys. If you have any question or suggestion, you are free to comment below or write to me. Where are you going, my friend? Let's put the screw in the place, as you see in the video. And I think voila, this is it, guys. We are going to the end of the installing the new LCD in iPhone 6s. I know it's an old phone, but I want to show the full process of what is going on and how to do it. And how to do it by yourself, like that's the point. That's the whole point. So let's put the connectors. And let's put the metallic holder. With the 3 screw because we didn't find the 4 one. So, but no worries. But if you have them, put them all 4. No worry. You have to put them. It's better than 3, so. Always, when you install these things, remove the battery. It's a good way to prevent damages and these kind of things. And at the last thing we have to do, we put the battery, and careful with the screw. Just put them in place. And voila, this is it, guys. This is it. The way how to put, you have to put the front in first, and then just pop it. Just give it a crunch, it again, and it's everything okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to put the last screw at the bottom of the phone. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. It's been a pleasure staying with you guys. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.